my name is Mark Raybon, owner of Larry's Service Center. I'm a third-generation Chevron gas station owner. I'm an ASE certified master technician and certified car guy. Today I'd like to talk to you about our latest piece of diagnostic equipment that can quickly help us diagnose almost any problem on your late model car or truck. Once connected, this device will allow us to quickly diagnose the trouble codes stored in your computer system. These particular Mercedes trouble codes can be quickly diagnosed and repaired while maintaining your factory warranty. This allows us to quickly hone in on the needed repairs of your car and save you valuable time and money. I hope you enjoyed this segment. Make an appointment for auto service at larrychevron.com 24 hours a day. Until next time, I'm Mark Raybon, your certified car guy.